Hello to all of you. Today I'm going to discuss the important questions of income tax law. I have divided the video into two parts. In part 1, I will discuss the important questions of semester semester 5th of Punjab University students. So, but as far as the income tax law is concerned, so that important questions will be important from all university point of view. So you can consider it for your university also. So let me start. First important question number 1. What do you mean by agriculture income, and what are the various types and classification of agriculture income under Income Tax Law Act, along with the conditions of agriculture income. Question number 2. What do you mean by integration process under agriculture income, and how it is computed, and what are the various provisions regarding integration process under agriculture income? So that was second question. Third one is, explain in detail the residential status of a person under income tax law. So students, when we are talking about a person, so in a person there are many persons that are considered to be a person under income tax law. That means individual, Hindu undivided family, AOP, BOI, artificial judicial person, any other person, firm, company, that will come under the residential status of a person. So if the examiner has asked you a question about residential status of a person, then you will have to cover all these persons in it. So that was question number 3. Question number 4th is, write down the various 2010 exempted incomes under section 10 of income tax law. And from salary, most probably a practical question is asked from the salary chapter, but as far as the theoretical concept is concerned, from salary, the point of gratuity computation, computed value of pension, leave encashment, and house rent allowances. These 4 definitions or these 4 points could be asked in a different way, or it can be asked of 5 marks, or that can be clubbed into to become a 15 question marks as far as the previous question papers are concerned. So they can ask 3 or 4 points and combine them to 15 marks. But they, as far as my knowledge is concerned, from salary, they will always ask a practical question. But from theoretical point of view, point of gratuity, leave encashment, computed value of pension, and HRA is important. So the third one is house property. For question number 5, in house property, the important question is, what do you mean by net annual value and how it is computed? What do you mean by net annual value and how it is computed? And question number 5th is, what do you mean by the deduction under section 24 of income tax law? So it is the important question that can be asked from chapter house property. And from capital gain, they can ask you what is the way or how to compute the short term capital gain and long term capital gain. Beside this, they can ask you what are the various exemptions under section 54. That is one of the important question from theoretical point of view, if the capital gain chapter is concerned, what are the various exemptions under section 54. And from other sources, they can ask you what are the various provisions or what are the various incomes that covered under income from other sources. So basically, they have divided the income into general income and specified income. So you will have to write it on your exam. So that question can be asked, what are the various provisions applicable, or what are the various types of incomes involved under income from other sources. As well as capital and revenue chapter is concerned, so there will be only a single question, but write down the difference between capital expenditure and revenue expenditure, or capital income or revenue income. So this is the question that is a basic question that could be asked from the chapter capital and revenue. But as far as my experience is concerned, as far as my knowledge is concerned, the examiner will ask only 5 marks questions out of this chapter. After that, from basic concept, there are many different few definitions that are important that can be clubbed in 15 marks question, and they are the definition of a person, the definition of an assessee, the definition of a previous year, the definition of assessment year, the definition of block of asset, the definition of fair market value, the definition of child, the definition of assessment year. I don't know, I might be asked it, I might be explained it earlier, but I'm explaining it once again. So these I'm just try to cover all the questions, so I don't want that any question skipped from my video. So these are the basic important question. In the next video of income tax law, I will consider the next part that is come under the 6th semester of Punjab University. So these are the important questions of income tax law as per the syllabus of Punjab University Chandigarh semester 5th, but it is applicable to other universities also because income tax is similar to all of them. Thank you so much.